100.5 FM.
Get ready to feel the beats is about to get down. Listen up, baby. Ladies, let go of your man. You're listening to the ladies' favorite DJ. Bringing you the best in hip-hop and R&B. You're getting busy? Are you ready for something new and hot?
This is 100.5 FM, your Alagad Radio.
.5
100.5 FM.
Huwag nailain pa.
Lamiaw eh.
Good morning, mayong aga hinubaan, and welcome to Alagad Radio 100.5 FM. This is your host, your Nglisherang Ilongga, Alagad Esh of Alagad Radio 100.5 FM. So a special shout out to Municipal Mayor Daf Anthony Vito Rezaga Reliquias, my esteemed colleagues at the municipality of Hinubaan, friends and family. We hope you all have a fantastic day ahead, filled with inspiration and productivity. To our very first watcher, Miss Therese Garcia. Good morning, One Hinubaan, watching from Manila. Remember to stay tuned as we bring you the latest updates, news, and entertainment. So, sini nga aga, mga kaalagad, we are here to explore the keys to living a fulfilling and purposeful life. So, for today, we are diving into the topic of having a life on track. So, we'll discuss how to stay focused, set goals, and make progress towards the life you desire. So when someone says their life is on track, so it suggests daw that they have a clear vision of what they want to achieve and are taking consistent steps towards realizing their aspirations. So may clear goal sila nga kung ano gusto nila. So be it in personal relationships, career, education, health, amo nang mga type of things nga though you have it on track, kabalo ka na kung diin ka pa kadto. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Scarlett Nelson, watching from Imos, Cavite. So, life on track is all about finding your purpose and aligning your actions with your dreams. So, it's about taking charge of your life and making a conscious choice that lead you in the direction you want to go. So let's kick off for today's show with a song that embodies courage and empowerment to face our fears. So here's Brave by Sarah.
You can be amazing, you can turn a phrase into a weapon or a drug. You can be the outcast or be the backlash of somebody's lack of love. Or you can start speaking up. Nothing's gonna hurt you the way the words do when they set underneath your skin. Kept on the inside and no sunlight, sometimes a shadow wins. But I wonder what would happen if you say what you wanna say and let the words fall out. Honestly, I wanna see you be brave with what you wanna say and let the words fall out. Honestly, I wanna see you be brave. Just wanna see you. I just wanna see you. Everybody's been there, everybody's been stared down by the enemy, fallen for the fear and done some disappearing. Bow down to the mighty. Don't run, just stop holding your tongue. Maybe there's a way out of the cage where you live. Maybe one of these days you can let the light in. Show me you wanna say and let the words fall out. Honestly, I wanna see you be brave with what you wanna say and let the words fall out. Honestly, I wanna see you be brave. Oh, oh, oh. Just wanna see you be brave. Oh, oh. Just wanna see you be brave.
So, Brave reminds us to be courageous and take bold steps towards our dreams. So, Brave was actually my, ano tawag siya naman, kanta pag graduation naman sa high school. I'm feeling a bit graduation-y thingy this morning. So, I thought nga you guys would want to hear a song that is about breaking free from self-doubt and embracing our true potential. Muna humble sang teacher namon sang una mo nga brave amo kanta. It's a very hard so budlay-budlay gid siya kantahon niya. Ayawan kami sa akon mga classmates. Galing through the process of practicing sa room tapos sa final, when we sang it sa amon nga graduation agad, it made sense to me. I mean, during sito nga time sige ko humble hindi ko namian sini nga kanta because it's so hard to sing. Budlay-budlay gid ya. And then, when I stood there, during graduation, nabatsyagan ko nga, this is the next step. And I have to be brave after this. There is no more chances na, like no more chances nga mabalik ka pa high school. That's not an option. You have to go and face it. Everything you have to face it and be brave on facing it. Samo lang na for brave. So now let's continue with a song that symbolizes resilience and strength. So here's Titanium by David Guetta.
You shout it loud, but I can't hear a word you say. Talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but all your bullets ricochet. Shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Far away, far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Coming down, but it's you who have further to fall. Ghost town and haunted love. Raise your voice. Sticks and stones may break my bones. Talking loud, not saying much. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Far away, far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Machine gun, fired at the ones who run. Stone hard as a bulletproof glass. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Far away, far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. I am titanium. I am titanium.
So titanium inspires us to be strong and unbreakable. So in the face of challenges. So it reminds us that we have the power within us to overcome any obstacle that come our way. So muna, dapat bulletproof ka, dapat hindi ka masakitan, di ba? Anyway, I remember, before our next song, I remember a conversation about sa isa ka tao nga pretty ka paranoid. So, sige Shambal, I need to keep my life on track. Or start putting my life on track. Pero, my dear Alagad, let me tell you a secret. The track does not exist. Some people would argue that it is, but it isn't. So, dapat daw may kwarta ta to start a business. Dapat mamana ka antes makabalay or become financially free and live happily ever after. And let me tell you this. That is a fake schedule that society has been hammering since the moment nga ginpanganak ka. They expect you to do this and that. Who says you have to do it in that order? You don't need a husband to buy a house. Like, hello. You don't have to wait for the love of your life to love your life. So, you can be happily ever after. Like, your happily ever after can start whenever you're happy. And it can be right now. So, this is Love Myself by Hailey.
When I get chills at night, I feel it deep inside. Without you, yeah. Know how to satisfy, keeping the tempo right. Without you, yeah.
Pictures in my mind on replay. I'm gonna touch the pain away. I know how to scream my own name. Scream my name. I love me. Gonna love myself, but I don't need anybody else. Gonna love myself, but I don't need anybody else. Can't help myself, but I don't need anybody else. Anytime, day or night. I love me. Gonna love myself, but I don't need anybody else. Gonna love myself, but I don't need anybody else. Can't help myself, but I don't need anybody else. Anytime that I like, I love me. I'll take it nice and slow, feeling good on my own without you, yeah. Got me speaking in tongues, the beautiful it comes without you, yeah. Pictures in my mind on replay. I'm gonna touch the pain away. I know how to scream my own name.
Scream my name.
I love me. Gonna love myself, but I don't need anybody else. Gonna love myself, but I don't need anybody else. Can't help
So as we strive for our life on track, it's important to prioritize self-love and embrace our individuality. Muna siya. So love myself is actually a powerful anthem that reminds us of the importance of self-acceptance and self-care. So it's about recognizing our worth and learning to love ourselves fully. So let's continue our exploration with a song that delves into the complexities of personal growth and self-discovery. So here's Bad Liar by Imagine Dragons.
Oh, hush, my dear, it's been a difficult year, and terrors don't prey on innocent victims. Trust me, darling, trust me, darling. It's been a loveless year. I'm a girl of three fears: integrity, faith, and crocodile tears. Trust me, darling, trust me, darling. So look me in the eyes, tell me what you see. Perfect paradise, tearing at the seams. I wish I could escape it, but I don't wanna fake it. I wish I could erase it, make your heart believe, but I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know, now you know, I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know, you're free to go. Did all my dreams never mean one thing? Does happiness lie in a diamond ring? Oh, I've been asking for it. Oh, I've been asking for problems, problems, problems. So look me in the eyes, tell me what you see. Perfect paradise, tearing at the seams. I wish I could escape it, but I don't wanna fake it. I wish I could erase it, make your heart believe, but I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know, now you know, I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know, you're free to go. I can't breathe, I can't be what you want me to be. Believe me this one time, believe me. I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know, now you know, I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know, you're free to go.
So that was Bad Liar by Imagine Dragons. So the song actually reflects the internal struggles we sometimes face on our own journey towards a life on track. So it encourages us to confront our fears, be honest with ourselves, and find the strength to move forward. So, sa mga pa-shoutout hi Sir Romel Vasquez. Good morning, Idol, watching from Paranaque. So, share muna bago shout out. Sige, lihog ko share. Yung pinapalaya na at nagpalaya, share muna ha. At daw tanan gurugin igo niya. Sir Romel Vasquez. Madamo gid nga salamat, sir, sa pagtutok sa Alagad Radio. Hi, BFF. Shout out, BFF sa taga Kulipapada. Sa mga taga Kulipapada, ang friend ko gali nga si Jovan. Ang pambansa. Ang hurad. Ano si term, ana, gani, ang residenteng host sa Banwa, sang Hinubaan. Nagpapa-shout out sa taga Kulipapa. Sa taga Kulipapada, tani na igo ka sa shout out ni Jovan. Hi, BFF. To my ever-loving and supportive partner, nga nagsunggod, kay nga adaw ko nagwakal-wakal about love myself. Para lang man daw na sa mga hindi happy. Hi, Babu. Anyway, let's move on to a progressing journey. An essential to surround ourselves with positivity and let's seek happiness in the little things. So, our next song, moving on, is Happier by Ed Sheeran and Marshmello.
Lately I've been thinking I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become, in the cold light of day we're a flame in the wind of the fire that we began. Every argument, every word we can't take back, 'cause with all that has happened I think that we both know the way that this story ends. And then only for a minute I wanna change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I wanna see you smile, but no, this means I'll have to leave. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. Lately I've been thinking I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. Walking down 29th and Park, I saw you in another's arm. Only a month we've been apart. You look happier, you do. Ain't nobody hurt you like I hurt you. Ain't nobody love you like I do. Promise that I will not take it personal. Oh, if you're moving on with someone new, 'cause baby you look happier, you do. My friends told me one day I'll feel it too, but until then I'll smile and hide the truth that I know I was happier with you. Lately I've been thinking I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. Even though I might not like it, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier.
So happier actually reminds us of the power of letting go, finding inner peace, and embracing the joy that comes with living a fulfilled life. So it encourages us to make choices that bring us happiness and contented. O diba? Kontento na ba tanan? Ang among pinalanggang supporter si Mr. Romel Vasquez dili jud kontento kay disco na pod idol, sige ratag pag hinuktok ani idol. Sir Romel, dapat kalma lang ta danay kay soft ang morning. Maabot na karon nga mag-disco-disco na ta. Anyway, ang aton topic for today is keeping life on track. So, we have to hinuktok and realize to keep our life on track. Sakto ba? So, shout out sa akon kaskas, si Elron Leron Sinta. Shout out, Lods. Champion na ang Nuggets. Hindi ko sure if tinuod ni Erdili, verified ba ni Erdili, pero kung champion na jud ang Nuggets, congratulations, Nuggets! So, good morning, Ma'am Jeneline Kahapay. Ma'am Ganda, good morning! So, kagwapa bala sa Nglisherang. Hindi, kagwapa, gid mo sa pangalan mo palang ganda na. Ang score daw kay 82 ug 86. Amo na ba ni ang final? Anyway, moving on, as we envision a life on track, it's time to embrace our dreams and dare to reach for the extraordinary. So here's A Million Dreams from the soundtrack of The Greatest Showman.
Close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me, that I call my own. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in the world that we design. 'Cause every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. There's a house we can build. Every room inside is filled with things from far away. The special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say we've lost our minds. I don't care if they call us crazy. run away to the world that we design. Every night I lie in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams, it's all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make.
So, A Million Dreams actually ignites our imagination and inspires us to chase our wildest aspirations. To encourage us to believe in the magic of our dreams and take the steps necessary to turn them into reality. Do kagina lang mo ko natapos about love, Sir Romel. Maora gihapon ang love, pasakitan ra ka idol. Kau lang man gihapon mo love sa imong self. Kay uban dili kontento. Ay, Amo na guro sa aton nga generation, damo-damo na nasakitan. Pero we still continue to strive to move forward. Tapos amo na gani na more daw na buo bala ang love yourself. Kay you don't have to depend on anyone. Nga gamay lang nga bikil, dumahambal ka na dayon ni hindi na ko. It's because you love yourself. You aspire to have a beautiful life for yourself. Kung hindi sila kontento sa imo, then be it. Hindi makakontento sa imo kabuhi, so you have to strive better para mangin better for you. Amo na lang na. Kung hindi sila kontento sa imo, be contented sa imo kaugalingon, but still do things and make things better for you. Hindi na para sila, for you. Amo na gani, love yourself para na simo. So, our final song for today is Million to One by Camila Cabello. So, this is a track that speaks to the infinite possibilities that lie ahead when we have a life on track.
Here I go again. I'm imagining a world outside, unlike the one I'm in, daydreaming again of when I'll get a chance. There's a world that understands, but you don't hear the whispers in the room you're walking in.